So I missed one question from the last exponents exam. So there we go. You're just gonna do that. So here, you know, as I said, there's so many ways to do it. And even me, like one day I'll do it this way, the other day I'll do it the other way. Now I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. This -1, I don't like that. So I'm gonna erase all of this and make it to the +1 instead. You don't change anything on the inside though, because when you move this up, you're only concerned with the -1 as the exponent. So this will give me 2x to the -1, y to the -4, that top still the same, times xy times 2x squared y to the -3 to the power of 1. You don't even have to write to the power of 1 because everything is to the power of 1. And let's not forget the negative right there. You know, when I was doing this equation right here, I forgot that negative. So just make sure that that's just a typo. So there's a negative in the answer for that number H when you're watching that video just before this. Now we have a negative now here. We're just gonna multiply straight on. So we have a -2 here and we have a +2 there. We could just multiply them. We get -4. We have x to the -1 times x to the 1. That's x to the 0 times x squared. That just gave me x squared. Because basically you could multiply all of these together. You know, as this has 1, then since you're multiplying them, you add the exponent. So -1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. So that's why it's x squared. And y to the -4 times y to the -3 is just y to the -7. And this, I'm gonna write it as -4x squared. We don't like negative exponents, as I mentioned earlier. This is y to the -7. So what you do, just make it y to the 7 by bringing it down. So negative exponent, it's on top of the fraction. There's a 1 underneath, of course. Bring it to the bottom, make the exponent positive. Could always do that. And also if it was y to the -7 on the bottom, you could always bring it to the top and make it y to the 7. This is it for exponents. Stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye-bye.